Paul Carbonara. We have written musicals together. We sung a lot of songs. Paul's made me a better musician in some ways. We wanted to sing you a little Christmas carol. This is in the Bleak Midwinter. In the bleak midwinter, frosty winds may blow. Earth was hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, a long time ago. What then shall I bring him, poor as I am? If I were a shepherd, I would bring my lamb. If I were a wise man, I would do my part. But I bring what I can. I would bring my heart. In the bleak midwinter, frosty winds may blow. Earth was hard as iron, water like a stone. Snow had fallen, snow on snow, snow on snow. In the bleak midwinter, a long time ago. This song is very meaningful to me because I was in the choir in boarding school in England, actually in every school I was in, and I'm an alto. And I never got to sing the good part. And in the chorus of this particular song, the good part is, snow had fallen, snow on snow. I had to go, snow on snow. And I never got to sing the good part. Thank you guys so much for watching our show and staying with us and supporting us. You don't know what it means to us. It means a lot. Happy holidays.